How artificial intelligence impacts healthcare. The global healthcare market was valued at $8,452 billion in 2018, and the market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 8.9%. The healthcare costs are also rising, and the industry is actively involved in not only reducing the costs of care, but also enhancing the overall caregiving. Artificial intelligence is one such technology which, if invested in and implemented thoroughly, can improve the healthcare industry. AI technology has mighty applications in the industry, and the outcomes are going to be revolutionizing and impressive if adopted properly. The AI application in healthcare will work towards reducing spending and improving patient outcomes. Currently, the influence of AI in healthcare is still at its nascent stage. Even in these early years, you can see a phenomenal improvement in the operations and healthcare costs. What is the one issue that the healthcare industry faces? There are a lot of tasks that require human intervention, and most of them are repetitive in nature. This consumes a lot of time and energy of the resources, leaving limited to no time for important and core tasks. Apart from this, the patients are not empowered, and there is no system where their care needs can be met instantaneously. Many healthcare providers are planning to invest in artificial intelligence. The initial investment is mostly focused on the admin areas. Gradually, the industry will move its investment in the clinical segments. Number 1. Managing the electronic health records brought about the much-needed transformation in the healthcare industry. The transition from paper-based records to something more intelligent and improved was worth it. However, with this transition came the limitations of data overload and seemingly long documentation. This led to complexities in handling the data and managing it. Artificial intelligence seems to be taking this aspect a bit too seriously and planning to transform it. The idea is to automate most of the processes involved in managing and maintaining these records. The clinical documentation, which is the most important aspect, involves a lot of time and effort. Combine the natural language processing abilities of AI with voice recognition and dictation, you can process the documents with ease and comfort. With an effective and intuitive UI, you can retrieve the information and even store it effortlessly. With all the information related to medication and the medical condition available in real time, doctors can treat the patients with ease without worrying about the overdose of the drugs. They will be aware of the allergies and infections the patient has, which helps them improve the caregiving. The next set of medications is also recorded in the health records, making it accessible to the users as well. Number 2. Virtual assistants. The second most sought after the influence of AI in the healthcare industry is in the form of a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants helps the patient overcome their issues and manage their health in a better way. It helps the patients feel empowered and understand their goals better and work towards them. It is almost as if they have an assistant taking personal care of them. This will help the healthcare industry shower in-person care and help the patients recover faster. The virtual assistants are responsible for timely reminders. These reminders help the patients take their medicines and ensure they don't miss out on the appointments with the caregiver or the doctor. In case the patients are on a strict diet, the assistants can help by sharing diet plans, healthy ways of eating and other aspects. Many patients need to procure medicines regularly, which they fail to remember. The virtual assistant will take note of the date when the medicines will finish and help the patients reorder their medicines for the month. In case of emergency, the virtual assistant will take remote help from the doctor and get immediate assistance. They will also notify the patients about the upcoming appointments and tests that they need to take before visiting the doctor next. In short, they will assist and remind the patient for everything needed, thus indulging in self-care goals. Number 3. Proactive care. Earlier, before technology intervention, doctors used to offer reactive care. In this method, the disease was diagnosed, symptoms studied, and then care was offered to them. However, things have changed with AI. You would notice that the systems are not able to study your medical condition and analyze your body to understand the high risk factors. For instance, if you have a family history of diabetes, then the system will monitor your body and keep a close eye on the transforming conditions. The system will immediately identify the symptoms that will lead to diabetes or possible condition. When the symptoms are identified, you will receive alerts that will ask you to conduct a test or change your diet. This will majorly depend on the factors identified, the algorithm fed into the machine, and other aspects. The system will monitor all the factors and offer suggestive healthcare remedies, which will make your life smooth and easy. Number 4. Bots for support. In many cases, the healthcare providers, especially the caregivers, are busy throughout the day. This makes it difficult for them to offer patient management and ensure that the patients remember their appointments. They are also unable to keep track of the schedule of the day, and in many cases, they don't possess all the reports related to the patient. The bots do a wonderful job of assisting and providing assistance. The bots will not only provide alerts in real time to the caregivers, but also send the alerts to the patients, thus ensuring proper scheduling. Apart from this, immediate customer service happens to be a tedious affair for the stakeholders of the healthcare industry. With bots, the physicians and other caregivers can support the patient immediately and ensure they get timely solutions. Number 5. Personalized services. Personalized services in the healthcare industry are possible with every segment of the healthcare industry. For instance, healthcare insurance is an important part of the industry. Most people look for options that suit their requirements, premium budget, and other factors. AI will consider everything and offer personalized insurance solutions that cater to your needs. It will also consider the external factors responsible for the choice before helping you choose the right insurance solution. Caregiving is an important part of the healthcare industry. Personalizing the treatment plan can improve the patient's health and empower them. For instance, the same treatment cannot be given to two different individuals, though they are suffering from the same problem. One person would be allergic to a particular component while the other may not. You will need to devise the treatment plan after considering all the factors: medical history, diagnosis, and family history. It is impossible for you to go through all this data and build the insights correctly. That's why you need AI. Incorporating this technology, you will be able to offer personalized treatment plans and ensure better facilities for the patient. To know more about how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing e-commerce, you can refer to this blog to know 5 different ways how it is transforming the industry. Summing up, a lot of healthcare organizations and hospitals are upping their game by investing a good amount in artificial intelligence and using the latest artificial intelligence frameworks and tools. They aim to improve their services and offer better care management. From advancing their diagnosis to improving their treatment methods, the stakeholders are working towards offering fulfilling solutions to healthcare issues. In combination with blockchain and IoT, AI will offer impressive solutions to the healthcare industry, and there are many reasons why artificial intelligence is important. Moreover, share your views on AI and how it will revolutionize different industries.